What's up, everybody? Hello. Okay, so welcome to my live stream. Today, I'm actually not taking any trades. It is probably because, sadly, my phase 2 is not out yet. As you can see. So my phase 1 has passed. As you can see, phase 1 passed. So I haven't gotten the phase 2 yet. I haven't gotten emails of from MP funds. So apparently, I'm using MP funds. Haven't gotten phase 2, which is sad, but hey, it is what it is, so just gotta move on with that and just work along with it. So for today wise, it's just gonna be a short stream. Today will just be a short stream to actually show you a recap of what is happening and how the market is like. So yesterday I didn't do a stream, but let's just take a look yesterday. So yesterday I actually didn't take any trade or whatsoever, not because of just phase 2, but actually yesterday was that market actually in Asian session dropped a 45.5 pips drop, as you can see right here. Sorry, let me just make it a single. So you dropped 45.5 pips. So in my back testing and in my trading strategy is that usually when Asian session does more than a 30 pip moves, it tends to continue to the lows, or it ranges between these two, or it just does whatever it wants to do, and I just do not have that confirmation on like whether it will reverse or it will just continue pushing to the lows. As you can see, market did continue pushing towards the lows here. It did continue pushing towards the low here, and so what I saw yesterday was that price came and swept these lows right here, as you can see right here. Price swept this liquidity zone right here. So what was this? I think this, if I'm not mistaken, actually this was the Fed Power speech or NFP, if I'm not mistaken. This is actually NFP. I'm not exactly sure. Hold on, let me give me a check. So yes, it is actually Fed chairman speaks. That's where it actually revert. That's where it actually came, and then price swept liquidity last night. And then after that, once price swept liquidity, it proceeded to sweep it, and then after that look to pushing towards the upside. So if you took a trade, awesome for you. If you didn't, too bad. So but it is what it is. It's fine. So price went back up, retest back Asian low. So like I always say, the Asian low sometimes actually can become a sort of resistance. As you can see in the 15-minute, price just respected it very strongly. 5 minutes it hit and then retrace back down to the lows. So yeah, next, what right now I'm seeing is, so what happened was that during Asian session, price actually came up, swept this double top right here, as you can see. So price swept this double top. Okay, it's not that obvious here. This right here, as you can see, double top. Sorry. Price swept this double top right here. Then after that, respected it and proceeded to push towards the lows, as you can see. So it price swept this liquidity, and additionally this liquidity as well. Then price actually sort of pushed towards the upside here, inversing this bearish fair value gap right here, 5 minutes fair value gap right here, and then another bearish fair value gap right here. So if, honestly speaking, right now, if what I will be doing is actually will be taking a trade. So what I'll be looking for is actually taking a trade right here. My stops right just below, and my target will be here. So yeah, this would be ultimately my trade, but at the same time, I can't take any trades right now because I don't have phase 2, so that's a sad part. That's the sad part of it. But oh well, it is what it is. I just have to wait and just, you know, just see. It is what it is. No trading today, so it's fine. Kind of always trade every single day. So yeah, I mean, this is a short stream. It's just to show you that how the market is playing and how I'm looking. But I'm actually seeing that this low right here, which was Asian lows, market open lows right here, will eventually be swept. Whether is it going to be swept now or swept later, I'm not so sure. Like I said, would never know when market will sweep it. You can sweep today, tomorrow, next day, and whatsoever. As example from this, liquidity can always be swept later. It doesn't have to be swept now. So as you can see, last week price came back down and swept FOMC news mills, came back up, and then after that now proceeding to go back up. So right now, in my point of view, I'll be taking a long trade here, and actually just nice coming back down with such a strong push toward momentum towards the high side. I do like the momentum push and how it swept tons of liquidity. I just didn't like how it reacted off without sweeping these lows right here. In my opinion, I personally, and price was respecting a 1 hour 15-minute fair value gap, 1 hour bullish fair value as well, very strongly, as you can see. So I like it, like how price is respecting all of these fair value gaps. Sadly, I can't take the trade. I would have actually taken it maybe when it came back down here. Low stops, those the lows. Yeah, actually this will be a nice trade. This would be a nice trade right here. Yeah, actually this will be a nice trade. This would have been a nice trade as well. And then my take profit will be like here, something like that. Price to break even right below here. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I can't take any trades today. So just chilling, waiting for my phase 2 to come, hopefully by tomorrow. If not, just like I said, I'm not gonna do anything much currently at the moment. So yeah, let's just see how price plays out here. Like I say, I think price has the momentum to push towards the upside here, but of course, since it's such a nice rejection and such a bullish push towards the upside, well, let's wait and see. I mean, I don't really have any trade going on right now. Like I said, I would have taken the trade with this nice pullback along this way. Maybe I'll just bought it like somewhere here or something along that line. I'm not so sure because I did not buy this. Right now I'll be break even. Right now I'll be break even, and then my highs or my target will be like somewhere here or here. So yeah, that's just my trade if I were to take it, but I didn't take it, so it is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, just gonna be chilling and let's just see how price plays out. It's just gonna be a short stream, educational stream on why price did what it did. I mean, I'm not the best, like I said, but sometimes when price makes kind of market moves and stuff, you can just see why it does that. There's equal highs right here. There's equal highs right there, and then there's tons of liquidity here as well. If you can actually see, there's low. So yeah, price, I I personally feel that it will continue to push towards the high side here, but at the end of the day, I don't predict the market. I just see how the market does, and then I just react off based on it. What you can do is actually wait for a pullback, I would say. So what you can do is actually wait for this nice bullish 5 minutes fair value gap along with this bearish fair value gap right here, that it was just inverse. So this tends to be a strong support level here, or if another one which will be here as well. So yeah, I mean, if you ask me, I would say wait for the pullback, but I would highly doubt that actually price will look into continuing pushing towards the lows or highs, I would say, after such a strong momentum. But if you okay, long story short, what I'm actually seeing is that I personally feel that the price will not make much of a high here. I think price will actually reverse to continue towards the low. So one reason being is because price already swept the high here. There's no point price sweeping another high to go back to the lows. How market moves is higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high, higher low. If price were to, if price already swept this high here and then going back down, okay, as you can see right here, price already swept this, in a sense, higher high. Price won't go back up to sweep this high to go back even lower. Okay, not say that it doesn't or it won't. It has a lower probability of sweeping this high again that already swept this high. As this here swept here was already the liquidity sweep right here. Okay, so this high, which was clearly this high here, okay, I wouldn't say this is a high, but like what I'm saying is this is the high. So just take it as in the sense that like this was the high, and then price already swept this high, which was the double top, which was the liquidity sweep. Okay, which was the liquidity swept. Price wouldn't go up there, back there, or less likely to go back there to sweep the liquidity again. Why? Is because that price was purposely went there to sweep the liquidity. So then, in the sense that the price that swept the liquidity won't have much liquidity in the first place. Yes, market could double sweep it again, but the price is less likely to go back there to sweep. It will more likely go to areas that hasn't been swept yet, which is, as you can see, it could be here, it could be here, or even here. Higher time frame is pretty bullish, but at the same time, price is in a range, as you can clearly see. So if you look at this market structure, okay, price make a higher high, higher low, a higher high. This is the low right here. This is the low right here. Price hasn't swept yet, so price is in this range right here. in a higher time frame. So technically it is still bullish unless price breaks below this low right here. Then that's where you can say that this price is quote unquote bearish. But if you want to go to the technicals of like higher time frame wise, this is a low right here. This is considered a low. Okay, then this will be the next low right here because price did drop back down and then go back up and then breaking this high again. So this was the low. Then the next low is actually here. So market is sort of overpriced, I guess you can say, or like over sold over whatsoever, but you know, market don't really have to be oversold or whatsoever. Like yeah, so if you're asking me my bias in the long term wise, I feel that price will look most probably towards the downside a bit more than towards the high side in my opinion. Other than that, I don't really look, even though fundamentally it is bullish, low key me actually feels that it is bearish. But of course, like I said, I don't predict the market. I only react to the market and see how it trades, and I trade accordingly to that lah as well. So yeah, I mean my prediction is just basically maybe price were to, if price won't be able to sweep this five break up inverse these 5 minutes bearish fair value gap here, you can look towards it actually pushing towards the low back to sweep all these form of liquidity here, especially these Asian lows right here. I think that will be the best form of liquidity, or like the area that you at least swept. Honestly, I thought this right here, this low, will continue to push to sweep this and then look to go up, but actually it just went up just like that. So yeah, not like I said, I'm not looking for much right now. I'm just gonna chill. No trading account to trade. I'm just gonna chill and call it a day. So peace. I'll update the group on how it actually goes, see whether my analysis is right or wrong. But like I said, my prediction is towards the downside, to be very honest. Unless these 5 minutes fair value get inversed, I'll look towards then you can look towards the upside here. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna call it peace.